Hello, buddies. I hope you are doing well. I am Payal. Today, we are starting a very quick series on 10 landmark judgments that changed India completely. So, I think everybody is aware of Keshavananda Bharati versus Union of case, right? So, our first case will be Keshavananda Bharati versus Union of India. Keshavananda was a head priest in a temple of Kerala. The Kerala government made a law to took over his land. He went to Supreme Court saying this breaks my religious right. Article number 26. So, but while hearing this case, judges realized something bigger. That is, the government had changed the constitution multiple times. They passed amendments to say we can even change the fundamental rights. Supreme Court got worried, and he thought, like Supreme Court thought, अगर कल को सरकार फंडामेंटल राइट्स ही हटा दे तो कैन अ गवर्नमेंट बिकेम अ डिक्टेटर just by changing the constitution under article 368? This is why Supreme Court asked, can parliament change anything in the constitution, or are there some core parts that must never be changed? Supreme Court answer, in 1973 in the Keshavananda Bharati, almost all the Supreme Court judges came together and formed a 13 judge bench. That was a historical moment. Okay, so they said yes, parliament can amend constitution, but it cannot destroy the basic structure of the constitution. What is basic structure? Assume constitution is like a building. You can paint the wall, you can change the windows, you can expand the walls, but you cannot shook the pillars. So basic structure includes democracy, equality, judicial review, federalism, and many more. To conclude it, I want to say that कल को कोई सरकार आए, कोई पार्टी आए, कोई नेता आए, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन इंडिया हमेशा लोकतांत्रिक, सेक्युलर और न्यायप्रिय रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे पास है बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, और बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर की रक्षा करने के लिए है हमारा अपना सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. तो अगर आप ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं, समझना चाहते हैं इन अ वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंडेबल लैंग्वेज, प्लीज शेयर, सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक यू.